There are two primary ways to make a phone call: making an outbound phone call or an intercom call. To make an outbound call, follow these steps. Pick up the handset and dial the number on the keypad. The digits will be displayed on the phone's screen. Press the green Call hard key on the phone. You can enable hands-free mode on your handset. While on a live call, press the green Call hard key or place the handset onto the base. To disable hands-free mode, press the green Call hard key again or pick up the handset off of the base. With your headset connected, press the Call key to place a call. When you are finished with the call, select the red End Call hard key on the handset. To make an intercom call, press the menu soft key and then press the intercom soft key. Select the desired handset you want to contact. Press OK. To end the call, press the red End Call hard key.